it's Kendall here. If you're new around here, welcome. If you're not new around here, what is up? Home skillet biscuit. I'm hangry. But there's a reason why that's important for this video. So today's video is gonna be a little bit different because it's for science. So mukbangs are weird. I've never really been into them. Like I remember in high school when they first started being a thing, because all the like Africa TV was really big and everyone was doing mukbang on Africa TV for people that were interested in Korean stuff. You just watching people eat, cool, okay. And then I grew up and realized it's kind of cool. I kind of get it. Like it's like you have stuff playing while you're doing other stuff. And then one day I realized that my makeup and mukbangs collided came together, and I was watching a mukbang, a Korean mukbanger, BJ, by the name of Dorothy or Dorothy. Dorothy is a very small Korean woman who eats a lot of food, and that isn't even the thing that makes her unique to me. The thing that makes me confused and bewildered by every single video of hers is because she be eating and her lip tint don't come off. Not a smudge. She's very pale. So if the lip tint traveled, we would all see it. So it got me wondering, what lip tint she used? That's when I discovered this video, Dorothy's lip tint video. So apparently I'm not the only one that's been confused about how her lips stay on, as opposed to just being magic and or witchcraft, which is what I thought it was.
우선 제가 지금 쓰고 있는 거는 요거예요.
And me being the impatient person that I am, I watched the first 3 seconds of the video and she said she bought these. Look, these are the Crush long-lasting lip tints. And so I bought them before even finishing the video and found out that it has quote-unquote less to do with the products and more to do with technique.
바르고 나서 바로 활동하면은 싹 지워지고요. 일반 티슈로 이렇게 닦아내요. 그다음에 한 번 더 해요. 머리를 한다든지 뭐 촬영할 거를 준비를 한다든지 그러면서 얘가 마르기까지 자연스럽게 기다려요. 그 영상을 찍기 직전에 한 번 또 이제 빠 하고 톡톡 남은 거를 다 이렇게 톡톡톡톡 해요.
I wanted to try it out and I'm curious how well it would survive food consumption because it seems to work pretty well on her. Y'all really don't understand how good my food smells right now, and I'm getting a little aggressive because it's just there. The color that she said that she was using was the coral one, rising coral, but I didn't think that would look good on me, so I got the red one too. Wanna be red. It's red. This looks so weird without having the rest of my makeup on. It's like really off-putting. So there's our first layer. I'm gonna let that cook, and I guess we'll go in with base makeup. I haven't used the Diva cushion in a hot minute, and since it's in here, I figured let's try it out. 480R. It is so hot in this room, and I really want to turn that fan on, but it's gonna have interference with my mic. You'll probably get a little bit of interference regardless. A little bit of Kajak concealer. Oh my god, I was sitting on my knees and didn't realize how my knees fell asleep. Oh no. I'm gonna do a little pom-pom. There's a little transfer, but not much. And now we're gonna put on a second layer. Time to do other things that also go on your face. I'm gonna do my eyebrows really quick. I'm using the Milk pencil. Clear brow gel. This is from Benefit. I'm gonna do a little bronzing. As the lip tint starts to like dry a little bit, I feel like it's having kind of this interesting like film texture, which I presume is what helps it stay on. Last but not least, a little bit of mascara. Okay, I'm gonna do the tissue thing one more time. Not much coming off on that. I'm gonna do one more layer. I'm gonna do one more layer and let it kind of cook while I set up my camera to eat this food, bruh. I'm so hungry, it's not even funny. Oh my god, it's so hot in here. Am I your ASMR goddess? Probably not. Before we eat, we have to do the little last pat thing. Now it's time to see if it will survive. Oh wait, did I do the little intro? 안녕하세요 여러분, 캔입니다. 오늘 먹을 거는 이거예요. 불고기 잡채랑 김치 바전 하나랑 green beans. I don't know what green beans is in Korean. Well, learn something that you don't know every day. Iced green tea. It still came off on the glass. Ah! And on my teeth. So I have a mirror in front of me to test to see how much of this stuff is coming off as I eat. I wanted to get something that had noodles so that it would rub against the mouth a lot. Oh, I'm so hungry. It's not coming off. It's coming off my mouth, but there's so many layers that it doesn't really matter. This shit good. She a little thick. She good though. Generally speaking, I like my kimchi done to be a little bit on the thinner side because it gets a good crust on it. She's still on there. And it hasn't like gotten on my face and anything yet. Cause she'll just be rubbing her mouth and it doesn't, and it didn't come off. Like it's coming up on the tissue, but like on my mouth. So apartment hunting, people must be tired of me talking about this because trust me, I'm tired of talking about this. I was supposed to move into an apartment and I finally picked one. It's gotten to the point that I like paid a down payment, like I had a moving date and everything. Like I was on the brink of telling people when to send mattresses to the house, like it was that legit. And last week, the wonderful people that were renting it prior to me decided they actually don't want to move. So I'm just shit out of luck, I guess. Now there's no apartments available and we're back at square one. At this point, I'm pretty convinced that someone put a hex on me. This is the third time I've been on the brink, like having like ready to go because of something completely and utterly out of my control. And it's really, really frustrating. I don't know if God's trying to give me a sign or if the devil's trying to stop my path. But we out here. Oop, peekaboo, my lace. It's hot. Whatever. Incidental to this video. Does that make more sense grammatically? Whatever. Are y'all into mukbang? Like I said, this is a very recent occurrence for me. Actually, what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to speed up this whole footage because I don't know how y'all can just sit here and watch me eat. And I guess I'll do an Instagram live. Follow me on Instagram to be a part of this stuff. Because of course, this is the peak of your day. After some diligent work here, I feel as though I've done my job well. I've been quite the scientist today. It's not perfect by any means. There's still a lot like coming off on it, but it held up significantly better. Thank you guys for watching. It's been great having you, and I'm very full. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm getting a little bit of butthole lip. But if I was out and about, this is very touch-upable. Like, it's not so crazy that I'm just very irritated. Like, it wouldn't stay at all. It didn't, like, get on the outer parts of my mouth, which I'm very somewhat confused by. And my food was greasy, so that's all for today, though. If you like this video, don't forget to like this video. My posture. Oh, my posture. This is rough. Okay. Follow me on all my social media, Instagram and Twitter, both of which are KennieJD. And I'll see you guys next time.